Yeah, it's your own fault you got up there, and you're gonna have to get down by yourself. I'm not gonna keep rescuing you, okay? You know, if you get up there, that's what's gonna happen. You're gonna get stuck. You treat yourself. Yeah, you did. You treat yourself. Well, you're stuck. Jessie love, huh? You're a stuck girl. Don't you try it. You're not jumping on this desk. Beauty's sitting here, okay? She's sitting right here. You'd freak her out. Beauty. Beauty. Beauty, love. Look at this girl. She is. Yeah. This girl isn't gonna get freaked out by her sister jumping down next to her. Well, I suppose you could take a nap up there. Jessie love. Jessie.